Alright guys, we are back for part 15. Alright. Nugget. This is what I need you doing. I'm gonna build one and I need you to copy it.
Okay, is that what it looks like?
Yep, I need you to build those. Okay, you can use that as a reference. I'll get these out of your way.
They're like slippery snakes. I'm gonna turn it like that, okay?
You do whatever you gotta do.
That's right. That's right. I should do these parts first.
Mm-hmm.
Need this in between.
Why don't you connect all the grays and the blacks together? I want you to do all these pieces.
Like this.
Yep.
You got all the white parts?
No, 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 no. I just want you doing these pieces. Just like that.
You do all those parts?
I'll do the rest.
I can do. Look at me, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Building all of them.
Yep.
I got 3 there, okay? I thought you. Oh, that's wrong way, right?
Keep trucking.
What does trucking mean?
Moving.
You got 4 now in that pile.
Okay.
Now you got more. When you need them, you can use them. Whenever you need them, you can use them. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just start gonna start doing it.
Better hurry up there, kiddo.
I am. There's a bunch of pile right there. A bunch of them. I'm trying to get this one on. This is hard. I have 2 left, right? This is very hard. I'm actually going with this, right? I have to put those on. Can I even let me do this? Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
We just have to. I'm trying to put this one. I'm working on one, Dad. I know it's taking a while.
see what we gotta do here. Oh boy. Alright.
Can I help you
Nope. Tracks back.
with that? Put those on. Ah.
First one.
They're tracks.
Skip a track.
I can have you over this.
Nothing. Oh, okay. Please do not take them off the table.
Last one, right?
Yep.
Can I see it?
Alright guys, there is bag 15.
Oh, Daddy.
We will see you guys for part 16.